So very lovely. Good morning, students. So we have started the chapter New Kings and Kingdoms. And in this chapter, we have come to know that how various dynasties, they have emerged. Because when we started to live at settled place, we started to evolve in cities, then slowly in kingdoms, and then came new rulers, new dynasties. And how these new kings, they evolved into big kingdoms. So we have discussed till now emergence of new dynasties. Dynasty means a ruling family, that one family is ruling, then his successor, his son, then his son. Okay? The family of rulers. So that is new dynasty. Earlier, there were a new dynasty, the kings has been here, but slowly and gradually many new kings and kingdoms started establishing. Earlier kings has appointed some samantas, maybe they were some landlords, maybe they were some warrior chiefs. So they were appointed by the king, but slowly they declared independence from those overlords, those kings. They declared their independence, that we are independent now, and they became the king themselves. We have studied the examples of Danti Durg, Mayura Sharman, and Harichandra. So these examples we have discussed. So these, as there was the work of Kshatriya only to do the work. So only the Kshatriya, he used to fight the wars, but these three kings, they were not Kshatriyas. Which were they? Write in chat box. Which caste they belong to? Yes. Which caste they belong to? Yes, Brahmins. Very good. So they belong to Brahmins. And when they belong to Brahmins, which ritual they performed? Which ritual they performed? Then they became Kshatriyas. Which ritual was performed by them? Yes, Hiranyagarbha. Very good. So Hiranyagarbha means golden worm. So golden worm, Hiranyagarbha, it was performed by, and then they become Kshatriyas. Earlier they were Brahmins, but later on they became Kshatriyas. So like this, new kings and kingdoms, they started establishing. So as we know, we are living in a city. We are enjoying many facilities. We are doing work too. In the similar way, when these new kingdoms, there was kings, and they were also doing the administration. What was administration? To take care of the area on which they are ruling. For example, all the decisions of our area, that is decision taken by the government. So in the same way, at that time, all the decisions, they were taken by kings. Kings has appointed some other persons to take care, and slowly those persons who were appointed by the kings, they took all the powers themselves. So there was the emergence of new dynasties. And then how the administration was taken place in these dynasties. What king used to collect from the people? Yes, what were the things that kings used to collect from the people? You may write in chat box. So these are the various kingdoms that slowly, gradually established. Yes, very good. So taxes were collected, gift, part of crop production, very good. So these things, they were collected by the kings. So why these all taxes and such as, what are the taxes that we gave today? Can you write in chat box? What are the various taxes that at present we are giving to our government? The type of taxes. Yes, taxes on house, GST, very good, shop tax, entertainment tax. Okay. Yes, Drishti, Anmol, Sanya, Arshita. Okay. Jasleen, Chalash. Yes, Jasleen, Himalaya. Okay, so these are the various property tax, education tax. Okay, so there are various type of taxes. Okay, we are paying electricity bill, we are paying water bill, we are paying internet bill. So these are the various type of taxes. The taxes that are being paid to the government. So being paid to the government, electricity bill, water bill, property tax. So these are the taxes. GST is also paid to the government. So these are the taxes that nowadays we are paying to government. And what is government doing for us? What is government doing for us? We are paying taxes. Then what is government doing for us? Please write in chat box. What is government doing for us? What is the work of government? Simply. Yes, Jalesh, Anmol, Angad, Jasleen. Yes, Guneet, Himalaya. Okay, very good. Anmol Singh. Yes. Yes, Arshita. So all students, please give responses. So government is governing our city, taking care of it, providing clear drinking water, providing various facilities, constructing roads. Yes, building and repairing roads, cleaning garbage, giving electricity. Yes, very good. So all these things, they are provided to us by government. So in the same way, administration was taken place in these kingdoms. So in these kingdoms, king was collecting taxes and various his financial expenditures were being taken. Prahastis and land grants. We are also finding prahastis and land grants from various sites from where we are getting information about these kings. Okay, what were these kings doing? So from where we are getting all these information about various kings, various kingdoms? We are getting this information from various inscriptions, from various books, or the travelogues that has been written by various travelers who visited India. And in the same way, we are also finding some prahastis and land grants which are giving information about the administration of these kingdoms in medieval history. So this all history that you are studying, this is a part of medieval history. In 6th class, you have all studied ancient history. Ancient, such as Harappan civilization, all was ancient history. And this is the medieval time period from 7th century to 17th century. I hope centuries are clear to you. Yes, which centuries are clear to everyone. Now which century is going on? Yes, now which century is going on? Yes, If there is any doubt, you can also write in chat box. Yes, very good. You have given your responses. Some students, they have written 20th century, some 21st, and some 22nd. Okay, so first we will clear this confusion about this centuries. So now 2021 is going on. Okay, 2021 is going on. So what is this century? You know that all this counting may have been started from zero. From zero it has started. From 0 to 1000, then to 2000, and then further to at present 2020. Clear? So this is the counting, and earlier this is BC. This is BC year. This is AD year. All this is clear. So the first century, this is the first 100. So this time period when it has started, so this was the first century. So it means 0 to 100. It is the first century. From 100 to 200, it is second century. So in the same way, now which 100 is going on? 2000 to 2100. So which century it will be? 0 to 100 is first century. 100 to 200 is second century. Now 2100 to 21, 2000, sorry, not 100, 2000 to 2100. 2100. So which century it will be? 20th, 21st, or 22nd? So now you decide. Yes, Anmol Singh, Akshit, it is 21st. So same. So 2100 to 2200. Which century it will be? Okay, this is 1999 to 2000. So this century confusion should be clear today. 2000. 1999 to 2000. This was 20th century. क्योंकि ये 2000 कंप्लीट हो गए है ना, यहाँ पे फर्स्ट कंप्लीट हुआ, सो दैट इज व्हाई इट वाज फर्स्ट. यहाँ पे सेकंड 100 कंप्लीट हुआ, सो इट वाज सेकंड. यहाँ पे 2000 कंप्लीट हुआ, सो इट वाज 20th century. So now which century is going on? Yes, now it is 21st century is going on. Very good. So now this confusion should not be there in your mind that which century is going on. So now it is 21st century is going on. Clear? And in this your history book, we are going to study the history from 7th century to 17th century. Now, the 7th century, what will be the years? What will be the years of 7th century? What will be the years of 7th century? Years from which 100 to which 100? Which 100 to which 100 will come in 7th century? And which years come in? Yes, from 700 you have written to 1700. So 17th century will be when 1700 years completed. So 7th century means after 700. After 7th century start कब हो गई थी? 7th century start कब हो गई थी? When 7th century was started? 17th century तो complete हो गई ना? When 7th century was started? From 600 to 700? ठीक है, from 600 to 700 the 17th century was started. Very good. So it means 600 to 1700 years. So this time period history we are going to study in Arthur's history book. So this history is that we are discussing from where we have got this information. So let's take a short tour. Okay, so now yes. Yes, bache, so the screen is properly visible to you? Yes, it is properly visible to everyone. What is visible on the screen? Observe carefully, then I will ask you. Yes, Lakshay, what is visible? Yes, Lakshay. What is visible and where we are now? Virtually where we are at present, we all are in our houses. I am in the school, and virtually on our screen where we are. Yes, many of the students, they have written we are in the museum. Very good. This is also a museum, and this is the museum of this is museum in New Delhi, National Museum, New Delhi. Yes, Lakshay, you have not given answer, beta. Okay. Anji. Your voice is not audible. Okay. Yes, Sanya. Yes, Sanya. Yes, Sanya. What is visible on the screen? Okay, Sanya voice is not clear. Yes, Lakshay, please tell now. What is visible on the screen?
Ma'am, there are some shapes of punch marked coins.
Yes, punched mark coins. Very good. So there are many things has been preserved here. So the various coins. Okay, and this is also shown here that how these coins were made. So because from the early time we are finding these things, and we have all preserved these things in this museum. So all things has been preserved here. In this museum, all things has been preserved, whatever we are finding at various places. And from these things, we come to know about the history. So, what is the history? What was the history? These all the pictures that has been found from various historical sites, and that we have collected here. So see, this all has been protected here. Yes, now you have come to know that various things that has been preserved in various museums, they are preserved by the government, and from those things we are getting the information. And in the same way, the prahastis that we are discussing, so this prahastis and land grants, we are also coming to know about what the kings were doing, how they were doing administration. So about this we also come to know from these things. So these prahastis and land grants, what are these prahastis and land grants? These prahastis and prahasti means these type of metal sheets. These are a type of metal in which the information was printed. It was not printed, it was minted, such as the coin were made. So in the same way, on these metal, this information was being minted. Okay. So we have found the information here that how rulers were giving land, because the rulers, they asked some Brahmins who know the Sanskrit to write prahastis, in these language. And what are these prahastis? These prahastis include the information about king. What is the king doing? How victorious is, from where he has got the victory, which king he has defeated, and from where he has got victorious. So now these prahastis gave the information. So these prahastis, that Brahman will write only those things they were told by the Raja to him to write. So maybe these prahastis include the wrong information also. So prahasti mean praise. जब हम किसी के praise करते हैं, तो praise करने के लिए हम कुछ भी लिखते हैं, तो उसको prahastis, we call it as prahastis. Okay. So in the same way, when the land grants were also given, so land grants were given, and then it were written here. They were written here in this prahastis. So all these prahastis were preserved by the king to show his wealth and show how victorious he is. So please go through all this material in your books, okay, and revise. We will continue with this chapter tomorrow. Okay, then thank you, students.